everyone. Thank you guys all for joining me again. Alicia Von Bokel here at Merits. If I were to ask each and every one of you, if I were to send out a poll and said, what's keeping you from closing 1% more leads today? Whether you're a big dealer, little dealer, currently closing leads at 1% or currently closing leads at 21%. What is keeping you from closing, let's just say, 1% more of your leads? I would likely get a variety of very similar answers. I'm a people, right? I need more people, or I need to train my people. I need to educate them on different leads and lead sources and, what the customers want in their buying journey. Maybe it's tools and technology. My CRM doesn't let me do this. I don't have the capabilities of doing that. I don't have a video vendor that lets me easily send out videos to leads or, have a video response process. And that's definitely true too. Or it could be, we just have the process put in place that it is. We do the things the way that we do because that's how we've always done them. We've never even checked to monitor, measure, or adjust if our current follow-up and response process is working. And I maybe just don't know the steps that it would take to get it to work better. All of these responses are true. We know this because we did a recent case study of thousands of dealers that basically asked these same questions, right? To where we found out that it does boil down to one of three categories, really. It's either a people, a process, or a tech and tool problem. The problem is identifying which one is most important to you at your store, right? How do you know? How do you know where to focus your time, your energy, and effort to make that 1% or 2% boost in your close rate? But it's important that you do so, right? Do you need better trained people? Do we need maybe more people? Are your folks trying to handle too many leads and sometimes things are falling through the cracks? Is it a real process problem? Probably, right? Are the way that we get leads, respond to leads, hand off leads, follow up with leads, is that really working? Or do we just go through the motions day after day after day and not really take the time to monitor, measure, and adjust, what we do today versus what we should be doing? That could close more leads tomorrow. Is it a tech and tool problem, right? Sometimes it is. Largely, it's not. Largely, it's a people process problem. But again, it's really important that you identify where the gap is at your store. Read through the case study that's attached. If you have questions, obviously, pick up the phone, give us a call, shoot me a message here at Merits. But I would encourage each and every one of you to either do a self-assessment to figure out where the gap is. Is it my people? Is it my process? Is it my tech and tools? Or if you want some help, having some assessments done at your store, obviously we can help you with that too. But don't keep doing the same things over and over and over again and just hoping that we sell more leads. Let's put a plan together to actually do so. If you need more help with that, please reach out to us at Merits. We're happy to have that conversation with you. Thanks all. Have a great day. Bye.